Hey, Needlebender757 here with another 757 Boulder Built Amplifier video. This is of 2x8, a low drive variable power 1600 plus. Made for AM and single sideband. Man, this thing, to build one like this as meticulously as I've built this one takes a whole bunch of time and effort. And a lot of patience on top of that. But it's worth it. If you look at this, it is clean and built tight and right as best as I can. There's really a lot going on in here. Lots of capacitors back in there. But as you can see, everything is super clean. Lots of detail and lots of parts down in there. I don't know if you can see them, but there's a bunch of parts down in there, which makes it a real pain in the ass changing the pills if you ever blow it up. But looking good. Got these megawatt switchers in there. They're nailed down with screws and sticky tape and then tied all together with these bars here. So they're just nice and stiff in there, so when the shipping boys throw them around, hopefully they don't get messed up. But there you have it. Nice look at the inside there. Nice power feed, man. If you look at the power feed all the way through, nice heavy duty wires everywhere throughout the power feed there. Let's slip the lid on, see how it performs. Okay, we've got a couple screws in it. It's looking good. Since it's a low drive box, we're going to be using our Cobra 148 GTL here. And our Cobra 148 GTL is audio. Doing right around 20 watts there. And let's look at our pass-through tune here. Our input reflect there is on the left. Audio. Our pass-through tune is absolutely flat, totally perfect there. So let's turn the box on here. Got the power supply set right there at 14.9. And let's look at our tune with the box on. Audio. Our tune is absolutely flat and perfect with the box on. And let's see what we're doing here. Audio. We're doing 2,000 watts. That's real good. And probably a little bit more than you should be doing with this box. So, hey, that's how we got this variable here. We can turn it down a little bit. You know, this box should really be run at about 1,700 watts, I would say. You know, between 1,600 and 1,800 watts, which is 1,700. We put it halfway there. audio, audio, audio. And we're running good there. Really nice. We put it all the way down. Audio, audio. We're doing 1200 with it all the way down. And another thing I'd like to show here is with it all the way up, of course, that's the most important part there. Audio, 2000 watts out. And we look over here. Audio. Our input reflect is absolutely perfect. Audio. And a lot of people have a real hard time getting the variable power to work where you turn it down and your reflex stays good. So here we got it at halfway. Audio, audio. And our reflect is still absolutely perfect. And if we turn it all the way down, so we're only doing audio, 1200 watts. Audio, audio. We still have a really good, perfect reflect there. So, man, everything about this thing is absolutely perfect. Great working box. It will do that magic audio, 2000 watts, but it really should be run right about there in the middle. Audio, hello, 1 2 1 2. It'll run there all day long. Yeah, we got the sideband delay there. This is a great box, man. Hope you enjoyed the video. Needlebender 757 here in Boulder, Colorado. We're gonna get back on that side smoking. See ya.